moving into college, चाहे फिर first semester or fifth semester, is always curious and fascinating for me. जब मैं 10th class में था, I was so curious and just want to go college as early as I can do. I don't know, but school was not the place I found myself fitted. It was not the place I found fit my personality to showcase my work, to do the things I love to do. And this basic reason proves me right. जब मैं college में आया, I got freedom. I got the freedom to do anything. I got freedom to just be with someone, anyone. And I saw my personality growing each day. I mean, learning from others. Some days before I was at IIT Delhi and that day was so inspirational for me. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा and the day was full of lessons. I mean, मैं वहाँ गया just एक दिन के लिए और I was like, what the place is this, guys? I mean, college could be that potentialful. और भाई मतलब everyone there is so brilliant, obviously, as we know, but also full of passion. I mean, I don't blame any other colleges, but I found that sometimes college matter in sense to be providing you the peer group, not only about the opportunity and the things. So I learned a lot there. बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत लोगों से मिला. I literally met all India rank 14 UPSC topper. I mean, that was an experience to just have. And क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में भाई, मतलब there are colleges जहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा potential है peer group में. Every second of that day, I want to just look at every corner of the IIT. I just want to be with everyone कि आज मेरे को as much as I can do, मेरे को सबसे बात करनी है, सबसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखना है, just new experience and travel throughout the every bit of the IIT Delhi, every hostel and everything. What I am saying, I love moving college. चाहे फिर ट्रैवल करना हो अपने घर से लेके, चाहे वो पैकिंग करनी हो एक दो रात पहले. आई वाज सो हैप्पी एंड पैशनेटेड अबाउट इट टू, बिकॉज फॉर मी माई कॉलेज इज इनफ ग्रेट टू डेवलप माई पर्सनैलिटी, बिकॉज इट हैज गिवन मी अपॉर्चुनिटीज जिसने मुझे चांस दिया टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ इन सेंस टू बी कम्युनिकेशन, इन सेंस टू बी माई इवन academics, in sense to be even just make videos, even because I wanted to try it. And this college proves me wrong that there's only IIT that give you exposure. But yes, this college gives you exposure in sense to be developing your personality. And the third year is not that easy, as much as I heard from my seniors. They were like, bro, this is the year shit happens. और मैं ऐसे था कि मतलब I was thinking is second is the most important year. When I called the seniors of my batch जो भी interns कर रहे हैं, मतलब अपने चाहे फिलिप्स हो, डेल हो, दे आर इंटर्न एट दैट. तो मैं पूछा कि भैया क्या सीन है, how you get there and everything. तो भाई they were like कि bro, don't take tension कि you just had a bad second or first year. This is the time real shit happens. This is the time when you know yourself if you want to go into placement. अभी college जाके I have 2 or 3 things to do. या फिर एक दो वीडियो बनानी है. To be very true, many juniors message me कि give hostel tour this year and give mess tour and everything. And apart from this, I have to just go through the syllabus even in the starting 5-7 days, as I told you in the previous video, that you have to go through your syllabus as early as possible, because then the rest of the semester you just have a brief knowledge कि अभी कितना syllabus है और कितना आपको पढ़ना होगा. तो पहले 5-6 दिन में I was just trying to फिगर आउट द सिलेबस की सब्जेक्ट में होता क्या है. पता नहीं एकेडमिक्स में तो इस बार क्लासेस कितनी होने वाली, आई डोंट नो, बट यस काफी चेंजेस इस बार कॉलेज ने किए. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, हमारा डीन चेंज हो गया, बट यस आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस ईयर. मतलब ऑब्वियसली 5 महीने रह गए हैं इस ईयर को, एंड टू बी वेरी ट्रू 2024 वाज अ ईयर. एंड आई आल्सो लर्न समथिंग अबाउट माय कॉलेज लाइफ की बीइंग मिनिमल इन योर रूम इज सो गुड. बीइंग मिनिमल अबाउट योर स्टफ, बीइंग मिनिमल अबाउट योर थॉट्स, बिकॉज इंजीनियरिंग इटसेल्फ होल्ड्स सो मच ऑफ असाइनमेंट्स, डेली क्विजेस and everything. And अगर आप अपने सामान या चीजों और थॉट्स में इतना उलझे रहोगे, I don't think so you ever going to get out of it. So this is something I just learned a lot after that, the end of my first year. So with this note, I want to end this video. It's just a life update video. I just want to have a conversation. Thank you guys and thank you for the watching. I'm Sutan Chaudhary, third year undergraduate student. See ya.